This video will guide you through connecting your Netgear Wi-Fi extender to your Spectrum modem using two primary methods: WPS, Wi-Fi protected setup, and Ethernet. WPS offers a quick, wireless connection, while Ethernet provides a more stable, wired connection. We'll break down each method step by step, highlighting the pros and cons to help you choose the best option for your needs. As of September 2025, Ethernet is generally recommended for its enhanced security and reliability, especially with concerns around WPS vulnerabilities. The WPS method is a quick wireless connection. First, power on your extender near the modem. Then press the WPS button on your Spectrum modem. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on the extender to pair them wirelessly. The Ethernet method provides a stable wired connection. First, plug your extender into a power outlet. Then, connect an Ethernet cable from your modem's LAN port to the extender's WAN port. Finally, use the Netgear app to configure the extender. Comparing the two methods, WPS is quick and wireless, but can be less secure and prone to interference. Ethernet offers faster speeds, better reliability, and enhanced security, but requires a cable and more setup. As of September 2025, Ethernet is generally recommended, especially due to WPS vulnerabilities. For successful setup, ensure your devices are within range, firmware is updated, and check Netgear's compatibility tool. Use the Netgear app for guided setup. First, power on your Netgear extender near the Spectrum modem. Then, press the WPS button on both the extender and the Spectrum modem within 2 minutes of each other. The extender will automatically connect to your network. Use the Netgear Nighthawk app to confirm the connection and check signal strength. Connect one end of an Ethernet cable to a LAN port on your Spectrum modem and the other end to the WAN port on your Netgear extender. Power on the extender and use the Netgear app to configure it in wired mode. Remember to update your extender's firmware through the Netgear app for the best compatibility with Spectrum's network. Most importantly, consider disabling WPS after using it due to potential security vulnerabilities. Ethernet is the safer choice.